Hi guys, I wanted to show you a review of our wave demonstration, the transverse and the longitudinal waves. And I've got my spring here that I showed you in class, and we did this a few times, where I showed you the transverse wave and the longitudinal wave. And we remember that transverse waves are the way light travels, and longitudinal waves are the way that sound travels. So let me show you. Okay, so remember with the transverse wave, that's when the oscillation is perpendicular to wave travel. So I'm going to demonstrate the transverse wave, and that's this one. Okay, it's the one that looks like a snake or peaks and valleys traveling along. So if I shake my hand back and forth, then the wave travels down to the end of the spring. That's a transverse wave. Now for the longitudinal wave, that's where I squish the spring coils together, and that compression area will travel down to the end. If I shake my hand along the same axis as the spring, same direction as the spring, when that wave travels through, you can see the compression of the coils go along the length of the spring. And that's the way sound travels.